Okay, let's welcome back. So today we're solving algebraic equations, right? So we're given 2 over x minus 2 is equal to 3 over x plus 2. So how do we solve that? And Canada so what? We cross multiply. So what we're saying is that this numerator part is going to multiply the denominator part of this fraction, and also this numerator multiply the denominator part. So let's do that. And so we're going to say 2 multiplying on x plus 2 is equal to 3 which multiply 9 x minus 2 and then I think I've just it to over 0 and 2 into by x we get what? We get 2x plus 4 is equals to what? Is equals to 3x minus what? Minus 6. So so we need to bring my change the x on one side and my constant on one side and it. So how can we attain that? So we're going to say on the left hand side just change an x and on the right hand side constant which change as an x and so ukuta kuti 2x here it's positive 3x akaenda ukanobva negative 3x equating to what negative 6 tinotina positive 4 kunokanobva negative 4 and so that 2x minus 3x we get negative x equating to what to negative 6 by negative 4 negative 10 and then negative 1 divided by negative 10 is 1 and so our solution for x negative 10. So we have solved our first equation and so let's move on to the next. Take note these are from ZIMSEC past papers and I forgot to write the question, so next time we'll be writing but I think I'll place that here in the description of the video. So the next question in our worksheet takapiwa 1 over 3x minus 1 equating to 7. So tinoita sei handiti 1 tinachi this constant takataura kuti the first thing you need to do is kana my constant should be on one side and so this negative 1 should be negative 7 vanofanira kunge vari vese because vanodyidzana ka they share something common vese they are what they are constants and then we said kuno kuchi todhila navana x and so we're going to say 1 over 3x is equals to 7 negative 1 akaenda right hand side ubaita positive 1 so 7 plus 1 what do you get 208 equating to what 1 over 3x and so how do we get rid of the fractional part on it? So we're going to multiply the left hand side and the right hand side by what? By 3 to make sure x the subject. So this is just my basic exchange of subject formula and so 3 into 3 total 1 3 into 3 1 so side kuno kwasara kuna x then to this side manje 8 times 3 is 100 to get what 24 so 24 for x is equals to what to 24 and then let's move to the next question, right? So the next question on our worksheet takapiwa we're given 3m over what over 4 minus m over 3 and it's equating to what to 2.5 and so how do we solve this? Let's start near left hand side and we need to place all this is one express this as a one fraction and so how do we attain that? So common factor two my fractions will be done the 12 and it so we're saying 4 into 12 we get what we get 3 multiplied by the numerator part 3m minus what 3 into 12 4 multiply 9 m and it is equals to what is equals to 2.5 and it so 3 times 3 we get 9m minus what minus 4m over 12 is equals to what 2.5 and it. So So 9m minus 4m, we can simplify this to g to 5m over 12 is equals to what? Is equals to 2.5, but let's get it in this pattern. So how do we change this into an improper fraction? And we're going to multiply 2 times 2 in 8 digit the numerator pattern. So 2 times 2 is 104 plus 1 to 5 over 2 is an improper fraction is 5 over 200. Then that is so much, and let's make we need to make m the subject, and so we multiply the denominator part of this fraction on both sides, on the left hand side and the right hand side, and so 12 into 12 1 12 into 12 1 talks up and 1 of 5m is equals to what? 2 2 into 12 206, and this 6 by 5 230, and this is then we divide the left hand side and the right hand side by 5. Left hand side by 5. So this is gonna be sub. And this is, so 5 into 5 plus m is equals to what? Is equals to 6. So m was what? Was 6, and this. So moving on with our, so let's move on to the next question again. So for our next question, therapy we have 3 over 2x minus 7 minus 4 over x minus 3 is equal to 0, and this. So the first thing is we check our domain restrictions, and this. We are saying for our fractions, and this, the denominator part cannot be equal to 0, and this. So we say what? 2x minus 7 cannot be equal to 0, and also what? X minus 3 cannot what? Be equal to 0, and this. So x cannot take the value of what? Of 7 over 2, right? And also x cannot take the value of what? Of 3, and so from a values that one, they cannot take what? These two values, and it but denominator part of one which is 0, and it. Then after that, the second step will be to add the second fraction here and it to the right hand side. And then a negative sign on it. So again that's no and it negative positive, and it. So we're going to write it as what? Is 3 over 2x minus 7 is equals to 4 over x minus 3, and it. Then third stage, you know what? We cross multiply, and it. So the numerator part will pan up, we multiply what the denominator part will pan up, and also the denominator part will pan up, we multiply what the numerator part will pan up, and it. So let's go on and do that. So we're going to multiply what? 3 x minus 3 is equals to 4 2x minus 7 in bracket, and it. So 3 by x, you get what? You get 3x minus 9 is equals to what? 4 times 2, 8x minus what? Minus 28. And this, then at this stage, and it, we need to make kuside one kwenda matenza x nichi, then on the other side ma constant terms, and this vanogidza notamba vese, and it. So 3x ku left hand side materms ana x is what choice, and it. So we're saying 3x minus 8x equating to what? Negative 28 plus what? Plus 9, and it. So 3x minus 8x is now not negative 5x, and it equating to what? Negative 28 plus 9, we get what? Negative 19, and it. So at this stage, we divide the left hand side and the right hand side by negative 5 to make sure x the subject, and it. So value of x angaran 19 over 5, and it. So solve that, and it. So let's find another question from our worksheet. So here I'm having a question. This one I'm getting 3 marks also. So I'll try 3 marks the mark in this one. So the next question to close our section. Okay, but I remember marks already. Okay, yeah. There's this one name in a 2 marks closing our section. It's from June 2016. This one 12 minus y over 3 is equals to 5 minus 2y. And so how do we solve this? And first things first, we need to get rid of this one, of this fractional part at the pineapple is 300. So how do you attain that? We are going to multiply what? The left hand side in the right hand side by what? By 3. What's the kuno sarashi sina fraction and it. So going on ahead doing that, 3 by what? By 12 minus y over 3 is equals to 3, 5 minus 2y and it. Kanzura 12 minus y is equals to what? 3 times 5, 215 minus 3 times negative 2, we get what? We get 6y and it. But I so we make what? We need to make y the subject of formula and it. So cool left hand side negative y group with negative 6y plus what? 6y and it is equal to what? 12. Another positive, a negative. I miss a step right there. So we're saying it's equal to what? 15 minus 12 and it. Negative 6y plus 5y, we get what? We get 5y equating to what? Equating to 3 and it. So the value of y was what? Was 3 over 5. 3 marks from what? From June 2016 and this. So I'll post my questions by description of this video. So please feel free to try them out and I'll see you on the next one.